afternoon, students. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? Are you all happy? Yes, I hope that you all are safe at home. Right, let's start today's class. Yes, in the previous class, we have learned what is science, what are the groups that have in science, then what is physics, what is chemistry, what is botany and zoology, is it? Then what and all we have learned about contents we have studied, is it? In contents, we have learned what are the lessons we are going to study this year, is it? In that, what's the first lesson we are going to learn? Do you remember? Chemicals and chemical changes, is it? So, first I'm going to teach chemicals and chemical changes. Then at last I have given one of the homework. Have you completed? Yes, I hope that you have completed that. So what's the homework I have given? You want to write 5 changes which happen around you, is it? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. So what is science? What is science? How you can say shortly, science is a process of knowing about the natural universe through observation and experiment. Science is a process of knowing about the natural universe through observation and experiment. Repeat once again. Science is a process of knowing about the natural universe through observation and experiment. Okay. What is chemistry? What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science dealing with the structure, composition, properties and the reactive characteristics of matter. So chemistry is the branch of science dealing with the structure, composition, properties and the reactive characteristics of matter. Children, here what is matter? Do you know? What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies some space. Okay? So, can you give some example for it? Yes, wood, air, water, chalk that is chalk piece, etc. So what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies some space, is it? So example, wood, air, water, chalk, etc. Okay. So, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science dealing with the structure, composition, properties and the reactive characteristics of matter. Okay. So, here, who is the father of chemistry? Who is the father of chemistry? Do we know? Yes, Antoine Lavoisier. So, who is the father of chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier. So, father of chemistry is Antoine Lavoisier. Don't forget it, okay? Yes. Next, let's start this chapter. First lesson. Already I informed that first lesson is chemicals and chemical changes, is it? In your book that is fourth lesson, chemicals and chemical changes. So first exercise we have done in the last class, is it? So what is chemical? Do you know what is chemical? A chemical is any substance consisting of matter. This includes any liquid, solid or gas. Okay. A chemical is any substance consisting of matter. This includes any solid, liquid or gas. So here what is matter? Already I said matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. Then a chemical is any pure substance. We can say that is an element. Okay. Or any mixture, the solution, compound or gas. They can either occur naturally or can be created artificially. Okay. So a chemical is any substance consisting of matter. A chemical is any pure substance or any mixture that is a solution, compound or gas. Okay. They can either occur naturally or can be created artificially. Now we can see some chemicals that is used in our daily life and what are its uses. Okay, so just you go through, you can see some examples now. Detergent, that is also one of the chemical. Okay, by using chemicals they have prepared that. Okay, then what's the use of it? Used for washing clothes, is it? Used for washing clothes. Then next example, toothpaste that is also prepared by using chemicals. So what's the use of it? Used for cleaning teeth while brushing, is it? So used for cleaning teeth while brushing. Salt. What's the use of it? Used in seasoning for cooking and also used as preservative, is it? In the pickles we are using, is it? More. Then vinegar used as preservative and for seasoning foods, utilized for various household cleaning uses. Okay. Then can you say the chemicals found in tobacco smoke? Can you say which are the chemicals that is found in tobacco smoke? Yes, nicotine, that is the addictive drug that produces the effects in the brain that people are looking for. Then hydrogen cyanide, formaldehyde, lead, arsenic, ammonia, benzene, this and all, it is found. Okay, so chemicals found in tobacco smoke are, what are they? Nicotine, the addictive drug that reduces the effects in the brain that people are looking for. Hydrogen cyanide, formaldehyde, lead, arsenic, ammonia, benzene. This and all is present in that tobacco smoke. So it is harmful to us, is it? Yes. Then what are chemical substances? What are chemical substances? Do you know? Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Once more repeat ma. Chemical substances are made of what and all? Atoms and molecules. Now you say, what is an atom? What is an atom? Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Yes. So what is an atom? Then what are called that molecule? Do you know? First we can see what is an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Can you give some examples? Yes, oxygen. Is it? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. Is it? Okay. See, we can see some examples with equation later. Okay. So, an atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Okay. See the picture, I have shown some examples for atom. Okay. Then, what are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. So, what are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. So here atoms means smallest particles, is it? Smallest particle, it will be very very small. Okay, so atom means small, very very small particle. For example, chalk piece, chalk particle, you know, is it very very small? Okay, so likewise this atom means also that is small, one of the smallest particle. Okay, then what are molecules? Two or more atoms, if it join together we will say that as molecules. Okay, so molecules means two or three atoms, if it join together we will say that as molecules. Atom means smallest particle of a substance. Don't forget, atom means smallest particle of the substance. Molecules means two or more atoms join together. Okay, two chalk particle, if it join together we can say that is molecule. Okay, only one small particle if it is there we will say that is atom. Okay, to understand I said. Okay, yes, so molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Okay, so what are chemical substances? Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of a substance. What are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. It may be 2, 3, 4 atoms join together. Okay, then atoms may or may not exist independently. Okay, atoms may or may not exist independently, but molecules can exist independently. So what's the difference between atoms and molecules? Atoms may or may not exist independently, but molecules can exist independently. Okay, so today we have learned what are chemical changes, then what is an atom, what are molecules. You all know that there are many elements, is it? About periodic table, you might have known something, is it? So there are 118 elements, is it? So you all know about oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, is it? From that one we can study, that is about oxygen. Okay, in air we have oxygen, is it? So first, one atom of oxygen, one small particle, okay, one atom of oxygen, when it react with another one atom, we are getting O2. To explain about the structure of a simple molecule, we can use a ball and stick model. Okay, a ball and stick model can be used to show the structure of a simple molecule. This type of model has the advantage of showing how the atoms are connected and how they are arranged in space, including the angles between bonds. See the picture, how they have connect joint. See, so the ball and stick model is a molecular model of a chemical substance which is to display both the 3D position of the atoms and the bonds between them. The atoms are typically represented by spheres connected by rods which represent the bonds. So today what and all we have learned? Can you say? First, what is science? That is, science is a process of knowing about the natural universe through observation and experiment. So now we are learning chemistry, is it? So what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science dealing with the structure, composition, properties and the reactive characteristics of matter. Next, who is the father of chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier. Then what is chemical? Chemical is any substance consisting of matter. This includes any liquid, solid or gas. So what is matter? What is the meaning of matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupy space, is it? So who is the father of chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier. Don't forget, okay? Yes. Then what and all we have learned? Chemicals used in daily life and its uses. Some examples we have seen: detergent, toothpaste, salt, vinegar, then chemicals found in tobacco smoke. So this and all we have learned. Then what are chemical substances? Important question. What are chemical substances? Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. An atom is the smallest particle of the substance. Is it? What are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. So, today you want to study these three questions. So, you want to write it and study. So, what are chemical substances? What is an atom? What are molecules? So, what are chemical substances? Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. Say once more. Chemical substances are made of atoms and molecules. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Say once more. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. What are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. These three questions you want to write with answer. Okay, so this is the homework. Today you want to do it. Okay, don't forget everyday's portion you want to watch and write and study. Okay, understand? So we came to the end of this class. Okay, so today we can complete the class now itself. Okay, so study all those things what I have given to you. Yes, stay safe. Thank you.